Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Word document to image. So let's start the video. First of all, open your Word documents. Suppose I want to select this section and make it an image format. So I'm going to select it and just copy this section, and after that select the file option here, go to new and select blank document here and just paste that portion. After that, go to paste option here. You can see on the left side and select the arrow and select paste special and click picture enhance meta file. Click it and select OK. And as you can see, this the paste is done, and this is in a picture format. You can crop it, make it big or so small. And if you want to save this picture, all you have to do is right click it here and select uh, save as picture. Select this one and just give the path here and give any name to that picture, and you can also select it on the format of PNG and JPG. Just select it and click save, and your image will be saved. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next one.